Welcome back to Intrendias. Thank you for clicking on the video. Today, we are looking into Tesla stock. And let's jump in with the most recent tailwind for Tesla is many EV competitors are actually jumping on to their supercharging network, which is a fantastic piece of news for Tesla as these companies are quite literally relying on Tesla to robust their charging infrastructure so that their customers can better charge their cars. We have Ford joining the 12,000 Tesla charging stations across the US. And quite like a domino effect, General Motors also joins the bandwagon along with Rivian, and Hyundai is considering similar moves. On the flip side, though, Tesla was downgraded by Morgan Stanley after such a huge price hike, where we saw Tesla rally greatly because of this great news, but also because of the AI related boom with artificial intelligence and NVIDIA chips. But the Morgan Stanley downgrade doesn't end there because we see DZ Bank double downgrade Tesla stock with a 210 price target. And then add on to some other bad news. We're seeing some recalls for the Tesla semi truck, some type of inefficiencies with the door is what the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has called out on. So sure, Tesla's got this great supercharging station happening where not only are the customers relying on it, but now you have rival companies joining in to be able to use that infrastructure to better their own customers. But we're also seeing issues regarding the semi truck. We're seeing issues with the price as downgrades are happening. So, what does this mean for Tesla investors? We could jump right into the Intrendias website. Here, you can access this website for free, and there are many tools that we could use, such as the search assets. This will send you to the MIA terminal where you're able to see automatic buy, sell signals for your favorite cryptos, stocks, foreign exchanges, indexes, etc. You also have the crypto screener. If you want to skip searching each coin by hand, you can go straight to the crypto screener and it'll provide you a buy, sell, and hold table for your viewing pleasure. Same deal with the S&P 500 screener, Nasdaq screener, and Russell 1000 screener. It'll provide you buy, sell, and hold outputs for each stock in those indices. So that being said, let's not waste any more time and go straight into Tesla. Here, our algorithm, which is built using Python, and it takes into consideration many technical analyses like the RSI, MACD, many EMA lines, standard deviation, etc. So here we're seeing a fantastic buy read on April 21st, 2023, and we're seeing a cluster of sell signals starting June 7th and up to today. Some quick things to call out. We're seeing the MACD line at a great position for a potential reversal as we see the MACD line heading toward the signal line from up above. William percent R indicates that the stock is very much overbought. And finally, the RSI is very much overbought. Moving over to the candlestick chart, here I have some lines drawn out to help kind of visualize where we might be heading with Tesla. So here we see lower highs and lower lows here, and we're seeing this line with four bounces off of it. And we're seeing this lower lows line down here as well, where June 9th was the pinnacle turning point as we went into a nice rally from January to now. We can also see a symmetric triangle occurring here, downward and then pull back up. So that was a nice symmetric triangle there. We're also seeing volume gaps being filled as examples here and here. We also see a bullish flag pattern where at the beginning of 2023, we see a good push up. This purple line acts as a ceiling. We have two bounces off and then straight back up. So that was a great bullish flag pattern. That would have been a great trade. But now let's talk about today. This is where we're led up to. And here we actually see two back-to-back bearish candlestick patterns. I'm seeing a bearish engulfing and a bearish harami. And we also see a currently non-filled volume gap, which occurs on 6/9, 2023. And based on these two situations here, we're seeing a bounce off the higher lows line, and we're seeing two bearish candlestick chart patterns and a unfulfilled volume gap. I would not be surprised in the short term that we will see a continuation of this decline down towards the price of 242. This could go even lower downwards to 234 until we could potentially see another reversal if possible. However, for medium term slash long term holds, this dependency from competitors to use Tesla's charging stations is quite a big deal. Motley Fool did a great analogy of saying, just think about AWS from Amazon, where so many companies and even competitors use AWS, and now there's this huge reliance to continue using AWS to continue operations. So having this dependency is a fantastic opportunity for Tesla to perhaps turn this into a subscription thing for these competitors to continue using it, et cetera, et cetera. So I would love to see where they take this integrative charging network where we'll start to see universal charging ports on each car, which will honestly be fantastic for the consumer. It's a win for Tesla, it's a win for consumers, and definitely a win for Tesla investors. In the short term, though, with these bearish candle signals, we had such a great rally. If we can use the trend line here, you're up nearly 62%, right? And in a recession feared environment, I don't think it'd be such a terrible idea to take some chips off the table and enjoy your winnings. Not financial advice, but just some entertainment for you. So I hope you enjoy this video. Short term, I could see the stock price going down near the 243. But I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Not only is it engaging, but it also helps me learn to better see trends that you might see that I might have missed. So I would love to hear what you would have to say. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.